Hello there, I am Henry from Group 8 and I will be demonstrating some constructive solid geometry with some operations using Blender. First of all, make sure that you have all the basic shapes that make up your desired model. In my case, I am designing a toilet. So, my toilet comprises of, let us check the shapes one by one. This is the torus for the toilet seat. Then we have the bowl, which is sphere. Basically, it will be shaped into a bowl later on. Then I used the plane for the floor. Then I used a cube in which I transformed into a rectangular prism. Then increased that rectangular prism's bevel value. And we have another cube that I also transformed into a triangular prism. This is the lid for the toilet tank. Then we also have the toilet tank. As you can see, its rounded edges are due to the bevel values for the shape, so here and this one. And I also use 3 cones. One is an internal cone. Let us switch over to the X-ray mode by clicking up here. As you can see, there's a cone inside the sphere, and this will help us mold the depth or the vortex of the toilet. So basically, another cone to connect the toilet bowl to the toilet tank, and then this cone is to support the toilet tank, and the other cone will be to support the toilet bowl. So this is basically the arrangement that we'll be using to showcase the different operands such as difference and union. So for now, let us look at how we can do union. So basically, let us toggle out of the X-ray view. Okay, if you have the numpad on your keyboard, press 1 and then scroll up to zoom in. Use this to go up. So after zooming in, we select the shape first. So we select the cone, then we go to add modifier, boolean, and make sure you select the correct operand to perform. So we're going with union. We're going to combine this cone with the sphere. So we then go to object and select the eyedropper, and you select the sphere. So now this shape should have a union. So after that, we are going to do union again. So this time with the connector for the bowl and the tank. So with this cone, select add modifier. Again, under generate, we go boolean, and we select union using the eyedropper. So you should have union with cone. Yep. So now, as we can see, you have to check here that you select the correct one. So now that these three have been united or merged, we should perform the subtraction property, but in Blender it is known as difference. So after checking that this object has a union, you can see here it's combined. As you can see, it highlights all 3 shapes. So with our new shape still selected, we go add modifier and then boolean. This time we're doing difference, so again carefully selecting the operand, the correct operand. We use the eyedropper and make sure that we select the cone that digs in like that. So now there should have been a subtraction that happened within, but we need to check this. So in order to do that, let us hide the shape by simply selecting the shape and pressing H. Then we select this cone and press H also. Hopefully the shape has been removed. Let's cut into it first. We first go to view the wireframe, make sure X-ray is also toggled. Then we go into edit mode, make sure the selection is on this, the set a new selection mode. Then make sure you click the vertex select mode, and then we highlight the part of the sphere that we want to remove in order to view our difference operand result. So we press X on our keyboard, make sure that, first check that, okay, it's been highlighted throughout. Then press X and select vertices. So now the top half of the sphere is gone, and we can see that our cone, previous cone here, this one, has indeed made a cut into the shape. So let us go into this model. So after cutting out the top of the sphere, we make sure that we get our desired result. So first of all, we need to make sure that all our shapes are in view. Then we select, make sure we're in solid view, solid display. We go back into object mode, and then we should remove this cone here, just hide it. And if we look inside, we have successfully made a internal dent into the toilet bowl. So it's not perfect, but we have simply carried out the demonstration of applying difference and union with our toilet seat. So hopefully you learned something, and thank you for watching.